Wait. Run. Let me see what the fuck this gun does. The elite when he spawns. Oh wait, there's no elites in this one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Okay, we can do it for the final boss bucket. Don't mind.
What'd you say?
I want to see what the fuck this gun does to the final boss. So like, yeah. So like.
But you got a small cock though, so like, it's not gonna do shit. I always wonder if I had a better shotgun, if I'd be doing more damage or not. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like it's. Oh yeah. All right, you guys can kill all those guys. I got the chest. Don't worry. Yeah, it's max health, max armor chest.
And my bitch is going, gorgeous. Independent, straight up them apartments. I'ma give a maximum performance. I can't fall in love.
I'll leave the elite for you if there is one. There's not one, sadly.
Yeah, no, this is one of the ones where it's not elite yet.
Get the sticks. Get the
I mean, you can just try the boss. I want to see what the fuck this does to the boss. My dick, good loving. Your dick, good for nothing.
It's not that good though. It's just max health, max armor. I mean, I can stop. It ain't good.
I can't fall in love because I'm heartless. Hiding in the nose, please, baby, get to know me. I got rich, I know, baby.
Bit of pooty poop.
Baby, I got to
To the petter. Hello petter. See, alright, let's see if I actually do more damage, because I just got evil devouring. Ooh, enhanced snow boots!
Yo, that's what I need.
Yes, sir! Open all chests in the trap level without taking damage.
What is that?
I don't know, I got an achievement though.
Oh. Is there a vault even?
I did already, in fact, clear it. That's where I got the achievement. Phantom Pedder. Ooh, gaga goo goo. Enhanced snow boots. How many enhanced fucking scrolls do I have? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 33, 34. 34 scrolls. Free falling! Hey there. Hey, Cusco. Remember that shit? You ever watch The Emperor's New Groove?
No, but I've listened to the Emperor's New Clothes.
Yeah, okay, yeah. See, like, my damage is so scuffed. 'Cause I'll just get 1499999999999 damage.
Yeah, that's max for guns, I'm pretty sure. That's like 50 mil is capped for weapons, and then 30
So
mil is
then
capped.
I am in fact maxing out.
Yeah, and 30 mil is capped for
Skill.
skill, yeah, pretty sure. I'm guessing the thought process is skill takes, like skill has way lower fire rates, so it's, you know.
Yes, they can do more damage.
Oh my! This thing is fucking good.
Monka W.
Vulcan. Pick up your shit in the Vulcan. Huh? Yeah, it looks insane. So, what I implore you two to do, when you face the actual boss,
Should not shoot at it.
you just look away, look at the health bar. Should start off slow, but then just like delete it.
Except when I want your damage! It's so close, Sass. No.
Oh wait, let me upgrade this bitch as well.
Yo,
Okay.
imagine only being 75.
Don't damage it, guys. Okay, it's not that fast, but it still is a shitload of damage. I thought it was gonna be faster, but that's still
Trash.
really fucking quick, so. My dick, good loving. Your dick, good for nothing.
Oh, I don't like the ocean zone. I think it's the most boring zone. It's better than the desert.
Pressure rising, time's running, heart racing. I've been patient, but it's now or nothing. Moving past what's in the past, cause they can't hold me back. Letting go and never fold, my battle cry, attack. Get up.
I basically have max fucking
Every
skill
time they
damage
push up,
anyways.
show 'em how you run this. It's a must, we go off. Oh, yeah, never the same.
Do not do the chest
Playing no
back there.
games. By the end of this thing, they gon' remember my name.
Oh, he spawned on top of me. Jesus Christ.
Valley of a thousand heroes, ready for the final battle. We'll watch them
400 million has been surpassed.
watch them
Or
fall.
400 billion. Fucking hell, man, that's
Legendary.
crazy.
Till I'm buried. I was born in fire, so your smoke ain't nothing scary. I seen kingdoms fall.
I'm gonna shit talk Sass every time he uses that
There's
build now.
nowhere to go but up when you the underdog.
Fucking damage stealer.
Stand by.
Piece of shit.
My soul now. Wings fall sky high. I can't ever let go now. No, I never will fall.
I probably could have been keeping up with him if I didn't fucking like. If I figured out that I had that stupid fucking scroll earlier, because I'm pretty sure I had it for like 6 bosses.
Oh, I just got an achievement on Steam. Let's go.
What is it?
Rambo. Fire 100,000 ammo. Shit's still there.
You are our little Rambo. You little Rambo, you.
My last breath.
Eat shit.
No, let it.
Till my
Brian, shut the fuck up.
Passive. Fuck it. May as well fucking collect every skill in the fucking game.
But I won't march alone.
Ah. Yeah, but that's gonna take another 7 bosses. It's 20 to get up to 50%, dog. That's gonna take another, what, 10 bosses to get that fucking thing.
Oh.
You're not getting out of this fucking run until, like, 2 in the morning. 2 in the morning. 2 in the morning.
Watch him fall. 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 Watch him fall.
Some elite invasion there, hey. Oh, no. Shit one.
Nothing for Assassin, lucky. Oh, there's one back here. Oh, fuck off. Can you stop spawning, you dick?
Bro didn't even come into the fucking vault.
Oh,
Oh, let's go! I get an untold effort. Apparently I didn't have that the entire game. Okay!
damage? Yeah.
I was catching up to you, and then you just decided to fucking have cocaine in your fucking brain. Good job, big guy.
Nah. All good.
Oh, sorry, they're getting two-shot now. What a big difference. 299.
299 what, Brian? 299 dicks in your ass. Yo. There you go.
Come out, lobster guy. Oh no, it's not lobster guy. Come on, give me a scroll I don't have.
Pretty sure that's impossible, by the way.
What?
To get something you don't have.
No, there's still some that I don't have. Like that one, hidden treasure. There we go.
I'm a little anxious. Sometimes you can be the fucking worst. And I'm a little selfish. So I thought I should probably tell you first that I don't wanna see you. And I don't really wanna be a friend. So honey, nice to meet you.
Oh, Snake Boy, let's go.
I'm shaking from the coffee. I got problems with my sleep. Make me feel what you feel.
There it is, boys. 302. It does absolutely no extra damage. It does absolutely 0 extra damage. But
honestly, it's not fair. 'Cause every time you run away from me,
wow. Go. Okay. Did you say it went until it gets to 75%? It just went up 0.15% on the resistance. It was at 50.7.
That is so cooked. If I imprint, it keeps the level if I keep upgrading it, right?
I think it'll upgrade as you go, like the level, but I don't think it'll go. Dude, if I ever see the fucking overconsumption fucking spirit blessing again, I swear to God, I've gotten it on every single mother fucking roll now. Like, fuck off. Please don't be. Okay.
Give me a phantom pillar, come on. Oh, there's one, thank God. Fuck's sake. I'm not getting the ones I need. Where are the weapons? Is there anything for Sasa health? No? Fair.
Give me a scroll I don't have, man. I want the stupid achievement for holding them all in the game. Probably exists somewhere. Oh, there's an enhanced brutal gloves. 307 now. $307 levels on
My game refuses to pick up fucking coins or anything. I think my shit crashed. Oh, we're good.
That's just lagging, bro. We haven't had the fucking bear guy in a while. I think we're due. I don't even see enemies, I just see numbers.
So I have an idea on how to catch up and manage.
Oh, okay, so it doesn't go up every time it's a boss, it goes up every time you defeat a thing, an area.
Yeah. So what is the highest fire rate weapon in the game? Go fucking look at this shit. Oh, salt. I forgot about this. Hello, cat. You want to go inside? You want inside? Kibble, eat the fucking kibble. Oh. Is there a craftsman here or some shit?
Probably
Right.
later on.
Brian, start the timer. Oh, here it is. Oh. Cat, can you fucking don't, please? How are you wet? It's not raining.
312!
My cat, please stop it. Okay.
Yes, bear! Cooking the bear time.
Like, give me fucking half a second because this fucking retard. Like, just let me get the cat food.
Oh, wait for you.
317.
Wait, I should have got the enhanced elemental conversions earlier. Wait, my damage should go so far up, Brian. Brian.
What?
The enhanced elemental conversions has no limit on how much elemental damage I can get. Before I could only get a max of 75, now I just get 15% for each nearby enemy with elemental effect.
Fuck me, bro. What is this? Oh, that's good.
Oh my god.
Which one?
Look at my weapon, Sass.
That's insane.
Yes, sir. I'm upgrading it for absolutely no fucking reason now, but I want to do it anyways.
Wait a minute.
Use stuff timer.
Oh, good.
Huh.
Oh, he just stopped existing.
That was hard.
That's very difficult, I agree.
What's what I have 4 ascensions? 3, 5, 6 off of having 4 ascensions.
And 5 off having all ascensions. Wait, hold up.
Only
can
been
I-
in this run for, I don't know, 5 hours.
Yeah. Around there, yeah.
We've been in Discord together since like 1:30.
I don't know when that is, but yes.
That is 6 hours.
What the fuck is element convert? What? Oh, damn. That is actually retarded.
I should have enhanced it earlier. I didn't realize it was
Oh, never mind.
close.
I mean, we're just never gonna get that shit, so
Probably not.
just fucking settle on a better version of your trash now.
I mean, I have a good version where it spreads out.
No, no, it's trash. Come on now. Everything in this game is trash. Hell no. I ain't a homo. Oh, you get 500.
We ran back. Let's see how far I get in 3, 2.
Cover so much distance.
Mhm. Righty then.
325.
Jesus Christus, man.
Oh, I can recycle Cursed Magazine because I fucking got it twice. I think I have all the fucking Cursed Scrolls as well.
Oh, I got Lifesaver again.
Maybe we can try a different run.
Yeah,
Sir?
I think it's time that we do this last boss and then just end it, bro.
Because Brian's already maxed out.
Never!
Yeah, so like try a different build. Brian can do a different build if he wants.
No!
This guy,
Absolutely not!
this fucking
We're
guy.
getting to 75%.
I don't find it's gonna take so fucking long, please.
Bro, it's actually gonna take way too long.
75%.
That's 20 more fucking stages.
Bro, that's so much, man.
I'm getting so many fucking achievements.
I've been running each whole build like 3 times.
Yeah, and? Are you telling me you're not having fun power tripping?
Fucking power tripping back crazy.
That's boring.
True, but also not.
You just want to find your stupid gun.
No.
Smelly butt toucher.
I have no such.
Ooh, this bitch has more fire rate, but no. Oh, wait, the gloves might have fucking retarded fire rate.
And honestly, we have so much weapon percent damage, like any weapon's gonna hit the fucking max.
Yeah, and literally every fucking weapon is gonna hit max.
There's an upgrader. 332!
Just wanna do the vault.
Wait, hold up.
Honestly, I really think I can reach for truly at this one. It's hardcore.
There has to be some random achievement for that, right?
Probably not, actually.
I wonder what the world record is for most damage in a game.
Oh wait, there's this fucking Phantom Peddler in here. What the fuck?
Balls.
Beneath my bed.
I got Miller Strike, hell yeah.
I know that I will leave and go where I belong. Dude, when we go back, we're gonna fucking stop being this fast and we're gonna fucking be disabled.
Yeah.
We're gonna like run into every single thing because we're so used to it.
We're actually gonna be so disabled, bro. Holy fuck.
Okay, wait a minute. I need to fucking up. Where the fuck is the enhanced faggot? Oh, I cannot etch.
Look at how many scrolls we have.
Wait, just give me a sec. I need to recycle everything because I cannot. I don't think I can etch this bitch.
I have 5,740% extra skill damage from recycling.
5,000?
damage.
I have. Wait. I have 6,920 from recycling fucking stuff.
That was a lot of damage.
Yeah, I have 346 of those stacks. Wait, hold up, boys. No, that's fine. I just wait. Balls.
Five.
You shouldn't have stopped it.
It's okay. We're just padding our time. We're gonna get to 5 hours in the game.
Really. Oh, I'm coming, hold up.
Only 5 hours in the same fucking mission.
Just repeating the same shit over and over.
With
We're just
no
chasing numbers at
progression
this point.
after
We're just chasing
the last
numbers.
2 hours.
Oh, fuck's sake.
No, we're gonna look at the title.
Alright, I'm not gonna upgrade the weapon again. It's gonna stay there.
No, I can't fucking etch this
Is this
bitch.
on the bird or the worm? Does anyone
The
know?
bird.
Oh fuck. I mean, he's gonna die before he fucking takes off anyway.
Wait, bro, what the fuck?
We're so fast!
Just make the map green. Dead.
Wow, he's dead.
Oh, who would have thunk it?
Wow, more scrolls than I have already.
Back to the
Wait, is that decent?
We go back to the end?
Is this decent? Tell me.
Wait, let me actually.
Should I save that?
Wait,
Or do you want it?
I'm not gonna etch it if you want it.
Wait, actually, cancel that shit. I'm gonna...
I have this one etched.
Nah,
Alright, back to the inn, boys.
I have my cracked ass revealer. Oh yeah.
Somebody screenshot my weapon level.
Oh wait, let me fucking screenshot my... this.
I've got your
You got the 333?
there's shit.
Yes, sir!
Wait, my fucking HP? Yeah, no, I screenshot everything, it's fine. We can go.
Success, guys.
Wow, I got another achievement. Win a game as King Yan. Wow.
Look at my highest damage!
It's too big. What?
2.37.
Wait, what the fuck is... How the fuck?
Look at Brian.
How
Look
the
at Brian's high damage.
No, it's 200 mil. Brian's highest